Señora Vaz, to help you with your pronunciation. I organize the numbers in tens, and I'm going to explain you why. These numbers 1 through 10 are the first numbers, and if you learn this pronunciation, it's probably going to help you to pronounce the other numbers. So once we get these ones, we're going to see what the similarities and differences are in between the columns. Okay, these ones in yellow, I'm going to start pronouncing them. Please pay attention and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we have numbers from 11 to 20. These ones are a little different. They have some similarities, but they are different. But look, from the 16 and down, you see this number is at the end. So you just got this part, and then you got this one added at the end, this one added at the end. And then you get to 20. Okay, let me pronounce these ones. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The third column, the pink one, goes from the 21 to the 30. Now you see 20, and this one you get like the same part, except for the last letter that changes to I, and then you add the number from the yellow column. And you do the same with all the numbers, up to 30, 30. So let's pronounce these ones. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. After 30, we're going to move this word just like it is. Here we add the Y, and then we add numbers from the yellow column right here at the end. Can you see? So you pronounce this number 30, and then Y sounds E, and then 1, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I'm reading really slow, but usually you say 31, 32, 33, 34, and so on. You get to 40. And why I didn't write another column? Because from now on, you're going to do the same with 40. You're going to put instead of 30, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44. And then you get to 50. Same thing, 50, 51, 52, 53, until you get to 60. After 60, you get to 70. Then to 80, 90, and you get to 100, that is 100. That is the pronunciation for the numbers. I hope this video helps you. I will be seeing you in the next video. Adios.